Hello and welcome back to the series of detox videos. In today's video, I'm going to talk about my program, my 14-day program, and what the 3 phases are. So what you can expect during that cleanse, during that 14-day cleanse. I won't go into too much detail, but I will give you enough information for you to understand what these 3 phases are all about. All right, so in phase 1, I call it the pre-cleanse preparation. So this is the first 2 days are all about making the commitments, setting your intentions, like shopping for cleanse-friendly ingredients and beginning to ease your body into the full cleanse. And this happens on an emotional, a mental, and physical basis. So it's not just, you're not going to be just thrown into it and just said, right, okay, now you're going to give up all the lovely foods or all the foods that you love. Let's put it that way. They're not lovely, but you might love them. We're not going to do it like that. So there's going to be a gentle pre-cleanse prep day, 2 days actually, where you will have time to get everything that you need and to mentally, emotionally, and physically prepare yourself for the cleanse. Then, of course, phase 2 will be the 7 days cleanse. So this is the biggest of the 3 phases, the longest, with 7 days, where during the cleanse you will follow the simple elimination diet plan and body practices. So as I said, I won't go into too much detail because that's giving away too much from the program. You will learn all about this in the program. You will be given all the information that you need. I will be there with you along the way because I will be doing that cleanse with you at the same time. And as I mentioned earlier, there will be a Facebook group where we can share, or all of you can share your experiences, how you feel, or your mood swings, and you'll be given a journal that I have also prepared for you, a template that you can use to write everything down that might be important to you, just to track your progress and to see how you feel on each day. So really, really important. And also in the Facebook group, we'll be, I'll be motivating you and we'll be exchanging recipes, and whatever comes up for you, you can ask questions that I then will answer in my life coaching sessions. So there's a lot of support around that. You will not be left on your own device to do that, even though you could easily do it. Everything is perfectly, doable by yourself. But I think the biggest success is to do this in a group, to do this with other people, because you're all doing it at the same time. You're all going through the same process. And although you might experience it differently, some people might feel absolutely fine, others might struggle more to give up certain foods. And just remember, it's just for 14 days. If you don't like it, I wouldn't, to be honest, if you follow the step, you should have a good positive result. I find it hard to believe if you don't have any positive effects on your health. But if you don't like it after those 14 days, you just do what you want to do, but you will get the support that you need. Okay, you will get it mentally, emotionally, and physically. And then after these 7 days of cleanse, or pure cleanse, the phase 3 that I call reintroduction lasts for 5 days. And this is actually where after these 5 days you could extend it. So let's say let me explain what that is about first. So in the reintroduction phase, you will reintroduce foods back into your diet, but one by one, not all together. So let's say we leave out all the foods that cause food sensitivities or irritations or inflammations, so that are known to be inflammatory. So we're going to eliminate that during the cleanse, but then in the reintroduction phase, we're going to reintroduce certain foods. So let's say we're going to reintroduce grains for 2 days, and then you're going to be back on the cleanse for 2 days. And during that time, if you just reintroduce them one by one, you can identify which are the food sensitivities or intolerances that your body shows. right? If you introduce everything back together at the same time, you won't be able to know what is it that causes my inflammation. So if you get all the nightshades back, all the dairy back in, all the grains back in, or gluten, you will not know, is it dairy that causes problem? Is it gluten that causes inflammation? So that's why we do that. And when I said that you can extend it, that's for people who have serious digestive issues and problems. And this is the best way to just keep going. You know, you can keep this cleanse going as long as you want. You can just keep reintroducing single food groups to your diet for 2 days, and then I'll tell you exactly how to do this. So you don't need to worry about how much, and everything will be laid out for you. Everything will be ready for you. So you don't need to figure it out yourself. But you can continue, and some of you might want to do that, and reintroduce these foods back in gently, and then see how your body reacts. Really the best way to identify food sensitivities. This is what helped me to understand what's going on in my body and a lot of my clients' bodies. Okay, so, and then you can then maintain the diet that best serves your unique body. And this will help you to feel a lot more energized. So you will just notice, you will just know when you eat certain foods how it makes you feel. If you get bloated again, if you feel irritable, moody, and if this nice feeling of energy is gone. So you will notice all of these things, and it's a wonderful wonderful experiment, actually. And that's why it's so good to do this cleanse more than just once a year. But that's for another time. Let's get it done for the first time for probably most of you. Even if it's not your first time, maybe it's just a different kind of cleanse that you're doing. There's so many different ways to detox out there. Give this a try. I know it worked for me. I totally believe in it, and I know it's a fantastic thing to do. Try this out, and I can't wait to hear how you feel. I can't actually wait to be with you in this group and to share all the experiences and just, yeah, be on your journey with you. All right, so that's all for this video. In my next video, I'm going to explain the 7 steps in a little bit more detail, so that you have an even better idea of what's going on, what's going to happen during that time, and just what kind of support all is available to you. So thank you very much, and I shall see you in the next video. Thank you.